Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about uh, in PyTest grouping. What is a grouping basically? A grouping is nothing but you can imagine you have one, one package. In that package you have 10 different files. Okay, and each time what happen and here you can able to smoke test you want to declare. One is smoke test and another one is regression and another one is sanity. Okay, in this what will happen, and each different packages and different test cases you make as marked as a smoke, a regression, sanity, and at the end of the day you want to run a particular tag that is smoke testing while before deploying the project, right? That moment you can able to use it for this particular tag base. And in case some cases you want to use regression after deploying, before deploy you want to run all the test cases whether your functionality got changes or not for checking purpose. Then we need to again use, we can able to use again this particular regression tag to run our test case. How we can able to achieve for those things using our PyTest? You can able to test underscore grouping. Okay, in this group I'm going to use for same and this one, grouping test case. Okay, now I have my test case is ready, but I want to do for grouping. I use for use fixes and all, right? But I want to use for some grouping also by test dot mark. Now I can able to use it here, sanity. Okay, and again I'm going to use it here at the rate PyTest dot mark. I can able to use for smoke. Okay, and I have another test case which is related to regression. Okay, this is this many test cases I have. Okay, and in that particular folder are some different folder location. Can you imagine any folder location and any test case location you have for this particular smoke and regression and all? Okay, now I want to run this particular test case. How we can able to run the simple format we can able to see here. Now we can see, now I'm going to use for grouping test case.py. Now here we can able to, not after, before, after the s we can able to give some space, then we can able to declare -m. -m is indicate for mark, this particular mark, and what kind of tag you are need to run, that I'm going to use for a smoke. Now I'm going to run my smoke test. But one thing you can able to remember, that particular test case, one test case is passed, two test cases are deselected, and three warnings are presented. You can able to see here, adding address to your user. Mine is smoke test, that particular one, and I have to change this one. Delete. Now why means There are two test cases we are not run. For due to that only it is showing that we have completely collected in 3 items. 2 was deselected and 1 was run. Okay. If you want to run completely, then you can able to use for sanity and the regression, which kind of one you want to use it. A mark indicates for -m indicate for this particular mark identification purpose. Why if I'm not using for the mark means -m while running places, then it will not understand what kind of file you want to run. Then if you want to use here means a tag name, which tag name we need to run. In case if you remove -m and run, it will give you three warnings. A warning here, don't use it, like don't worry about that. It will use that unknown only because the regression tag it is not presented there. That's why it is showing like that. But we can able to use it. Now we can able to see the 3 test case pass, right? Similar format we can able to use, no issue. And if you want to specific test case to run means, then you need to use for -m. M is indicate for mark. A mark you can able to mouse over for in the mark, and you can able to see that is like private one, and you can able mark generator. By default it is in a true place. Whenever you use the mark, it will by default you can able to use a tag base or something, and this is the way we can able to do for our grouping and test case. And also why this group was required means the group of test cases running time we need to use this grouping with a set of things files we need to run, right? That moment we can able to use it for this group operation. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.